Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a theme whiteboard on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the whiteboard option next to the docs button and go to the fourth option, the theme whiteboard, and step on it. In the templates button, you can find it different templates and just select one and step on it. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.